Today I'm at the Leiden Sciencepark attending the annual meeting of the Product Development Partnerships Fund. And I wonder what the focus of today's meeting will be.
The main focus of the PDPs is on the development and availability of affordable medicines, vaccines and diagnostics for diseases in developing countries related to poverty and sexual and reproductive health and rights. They work, for instance, on innovative solutions for women to prevent HIV infection, on new drugs to combat drug-resistant TB, and on diagnostics to reduce the overuse of antibiotics.
There's a strong link between the PDPs and AMR in the sense that many of the programs of the PDPs focus on issues related to antimicrobial resistance, for example tuberculosis and the Drugs for Neglected Disease initiative. And in that sense there's a very strong link between the AMR issues that we have to face and the objectives that the PDPs currently have.
Our organization, the International AIDS Vaccine Initiative, its link to antimicrobial resistance is that we're developing a vaccine that is aimed at preventing HIV infection, which is particularly important if you consider that there is increasing evidence that HIV might develop resistance against antiretroviral therapy.
Combating antibiotic resistance is critical in maintaining the world's health. The history of medicine, the 20th century, was built upon a couple of major advances, one in hygiene and the other, I would argue, in the development of antibiotics. And right now we're losing that battle with antibiotic resistance. If we can keep pace, however, and develop new antibiotics, we can look to maintain and maybe even improve on the quality of global health that we enjoy.
Some PDP activities are leading to great results already. Some products are entering the market, such as a drug for a TB drug for children and a malaria drug for pregnant women, while others are close, such as the vaginal ring for women to prevent HIV infection.
The developed vaginal ring will help women who don't ordinarily have power in their sexual relationships to be able to protect themselves against HIV infection. Right now women can't use condoms and they can't sometimes get their partners to practice safe sex, so they can take protection into their own hands.
The main achievement of the International AIDS Vaccine Initiative by 2020 would be that we will have evaluated in the clinic some of the most important innovations that we have developed over the last few years. We will know if that works, and that will lead us to a path towards an effective HIV vaccine.
This was a very interesting meeting. Now I know more about PDPs and antimicrobial resistance. I'm enthusiastic about our aim to solve several health problems in developing countries. Do you want more information about PDPs or their activities? Check our website or download the fact sheets.